Hi fellas. So kanina I was telling you about yung coach ko, shuttle service ko. Ang laki-laki pero mag-isa lang pala ako. It was fun. It's fun. Parang feel ko sobrang social. I got that para may private transport para wala na kasabay. Ako lang mag-isa. And now I got my own ferry service din. Thinking maliit yung sakay ko pero ito ang sarili kong boat. Check it out. I have this boat all to myself. Ako lang sakay dito. Sarap. Kaya pagdating ko parang wow, social. Pero yun nga, para wala nang hassle, kumuha na ako sariling service ko.